There's a flood. What should we do? I don't know. Let's get out of the house. 40, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. It's too winter. Oh, Jessica, there's a water flood. What? I think it's over. Oh, it's an acid flood now. What? Okay, I get the sick down of these times. Let's take this.
That's what you get for turning off my cocoa melon.
Take this, you dumb green.